Join discord.gg/flat earth and enter a VC check-in room and someone will come along to VC verify and get involved with the conversation about our Earth. Now we have time for a meeting with the real flat earthers.
Looks like we have a Glober in chat. Ziggyspaz. Welcome, Ziggyspaz. I have a Quantum Eraser who wants to talk to you.
Yeah, I can speak.
Can you prove the globe?
I don't know. Can you prove the flat?
Yeah, measurements.
I don't know. I did take a picture the other day, and it really looked like there was a curve. Let me post that picture in the chat. I could do that. Took it myself.
What was your elevation height when you took this picture?
Probably, I was on the 32nd floor of a building.
Bruh.
And you think that's tall enough to see the horizon curving?
Yeah, I mean, if a foot off the ground in the Black Swan thing is high enough, then yeah, I think 32 floors is plenty.
Bruh.
Yeah, it's not high enough. The ISS is too low to the ground to actually see the horizon curving, so are you retarded?
So you're saying all the proof that you've ever given me
No, you're
is
just
too low on the ground?
No, you're just not listening very carefully. The horizon is flat and not curved.
I think it's curved. I'll show you the picture.
Bruh.
Yeah, well, according to the math, then your ball is way too small to contain all of the continents. So, what the hell do you live on, man?
What do you mean? You're supposed to see the curve.
Bruh.
No, according to the math, the height of the ISS is too low to the ground to see the horizon curve.
That means any experiment you're ever going to do is never going to see the curve. It seems like your
Because there
logic
is no
is kind of
curve,
flawed.
buddy.
Bruh.
Buddy, there is no curve. That's your issue.
Experiment? Do you need? That's not. Do you need an experiment to measure something? What are you talking about? Why did you say experiment?
Any of the experiments you guys use to prove the flat Earth?
You don't use experiments for that because it's a what is
Use an
question.
observation.
It's a what is question. It's not a scientific question. You have a category error here. Oh, yes, he did, QE.
You really want me to get involved in this fucking remedial retard shit?
No, just if you want to have fun. If you
Not
don't.
really. I'll let my cat's litter box fucking talk to him.
What are your cats' names?
Irrelevant, not this is discussion here.
You guys only talk about flat Earth here?
Wow.
That's the primary subject matter, yes.
Oh, that's boring.
Well, you're boring, so of course you think everything's boring.
Why can't Glovers and flat Earthers just get along?
Because we care about reality and not fairy tales.
Well, Glovers are essentially retards.
Exactly.
If we can get along with them, we could just show them different, colors with fucking tape.
Yeah, he already.
Is your wife a Glover?
No. You already proved you're retarded as well, thinking you should see the horizon curving at 1 foot elevation.
Nice. I'm sure that sums up my entire knowledge base, right?
No, it just proves that you don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Maybe when it comes to the flat Earth theories, I don't.
No, it's
But
not theory.
I also live in the same reality that
when
you
it comes
do.
to your religious belief system, you don't know what the fuck you're talking about. You just hold up blind faith belief.
What, do you believe in God too?
Non sequitur, it's not related to what I'm saying.
You don't?
I certainly don't.
Oh, so you think ink, paper, and glue molecules can author technical instruction manuals and something can come from nothing? You're a fucking railroad scholar, aren't you?
Yeah.
You come in there with this fucking weak ass second grade horse shit. Go back to fucking romper room before I slap you, you half a sissy.
Let me ask you this: Do you know what a triangle is?
I know what a triangle is. Do you know what a triangle is?
You were asked the question. How about you show us that you comprehend what you're talking about before you ask other people to answer your question for you?
Yeah, what do you need? What about triangles do you want?
What the fuck, man? What?
I'm waiting. I don't know what you
You're
guys want
waiting.
from me.
He asked you what was a triangle. So I know this is going to be shocking, but then you're going to have to define the fucking thing, okay? Go ahead, define it.
A triangle is a shape whose internal angles add up to 180.
That's very good. That's a property of a triangle. Thank you. How about it's 3 straight-sided polygon?
That's an even better.
It's
That's
not
an even
better.
better
It's part of the
definition.
definition. So good job. You know what a fucking triangle is. Do you know that you just proved flat Earth?
How?
That's pretty funny, right? You know that in celestial
It is.
navigation, yeah, Mr. Funny Bones, get ready to get your worldview fucking smashed, okay, Mr. Triangles?
I've been here probably 10 times.
Shut your fucking pie hole. In celestial navigation, they use elevation angles. Yeah? To determine their position. Can you define an elevation angle for everyone in the audience, please?
An elevation angle?
Correct.
I don't know what an elevation angle is. But I know what a altitude, like a normal line would be in a triangle. I don't know what an elevation angle is now.
You don't know what
I mean, I'm looking at the chat. Is that what it is right there? What I'm looking at?
I'm not looking at the chat. What, is it in there?
What Amish Barn Stud put in the chat?
All right, 1 second. I gotta get up.
Dude, I'm just trying to get a quality reason for me to turn sides, man.
Turn what?
I'll believe it when I see it, you know?
Oh, all right, dipshit. At 47 minutes after the hour, can you read that out loud?
Elevation angle is the angle between the horizontal plane and the line of sight measured.
Measured in the vertical plane.
Oh, I didn't see that line.
Yeah, sorry about. So when you take an elevation angle, it is a right angled triangle. How do you get a right angled triangle on the surface of a sphere, please?
You take the tangent line of the sphere.
There is no tangent line of the sphere. Where's the tangent line of the sphere in an elevation angle?
Where you're standing, if you draw like a straight line
That's
from
not
where
a
you're
fucking
standing.
tangent line. And you're already assuming a sphere. There are no tangent fucking lines in it. Listen, wake up. We're using elevation.
I'm trying here, bro. I'm trying.
They're triangles, right? How do you acquire an elevation angle from a curved adjacent?
With 3 lines.
With 3 lines. That's your answer.
I think so.
Are you retarded?
I'm trying to follow, bro. I'm just really stoned. I'm trying to figure it out.
I'm trying to give it to you. See, on a
You're
sphere,
confusing me.
Yeah, I know. It's real easy. I can just throw up, different.
It's like rocket science at this point.
Different pieces of colored tape and shit. That would probably confuse you. So listen, as soon as you attempt to acquire an elevation angle, whether it be from a celestial object or not, doesn't matter. You can't provide elevation angle for me off a sphere because you need a right angle triangle. And you can't get one off a sphere.
You'd have to take a tangent line off the sphere.
No, we're not talking about tangent lines. Show me a fucking tangent line in a triangle. Yeah, you don't got
There
one.
would be no
non sequitur. God. Show me an amoeba on a beach ball.
I can't do that.
So you're a dumbass. So let me just say this. Yeah, it's all over for you. It's all over. We can use celestial navigation. The Earth is measurably and navigatably flat as fuck because you couldn't get an elevation angle if it wasn't. How do you get your latitudes, by the way? Can you tell me?
I actually don't know how to do that. No.
Yep, they're elevation angles to Polaris. So how do you get an elevation angle off a curved baseline?
You would, if it were curved, you would have to take the tangent.
There is no fucking tangents. What the fuck is this? I can't do this anymore, man. This guy's a retard.
I don't understand. You're saying that it's flat.
You're a retard, okay? You're just retarded. That's the problem.
This guy first came in.
You would fail.
Yeah.
You'd fail third grade geometry.
This guy first came in here, QE, saying that you could balance an egg on a nail at the equator.
Yeah, he's a fucking moron, man.
Yeah. Well,
he'd fail third grade geometry. I don't even know why he's still talking.
That's because Gemzy is here, and I take the refugees and I try to, keep them on page, but some of them cannot follow all the pages till the one that you're trying to bring them to, QE. But yeah, well done. Do you finally know what triangle is, sir? You know now?
Yeah, I think I know what a triangle is.
He's
I don't
lost
think
in
it
the
proves
woods,
flat Earth, though.
He's lost in
He
the
doesn't
woods.
think so. It already happened to you. You're just too stupid to realize it.
Spartans! What is your profession?
See, old friend, I brought more soldiers than you did.